Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent unboxing. This is the Jewels Across America subscription for the month of July. You do get a map each month, which I just have my original one, so I don't need these extra maps, but hidden inside here is our postcard for the state and our sticker for our map. So this month for July is Welcome to Georgia. Summer Peach is the fragrance, and it gives you a description of that. So I'm going to set that aside and take a look at the candle. The candles are nice. They are 3 wicks, Summer Peach. It definitely smells good. I really do like the smell of peaches, so I'm excited to burn that. I will get to burning it now. As you can see, the ring's right there, and I'll be back to show you what's inside that, so stay tuned to the end of the video. But the subscription also includes 2 matching bath bombs. These are essential bath bombs, which means there's no rings inside these, but they are very nice, pretty big bath bombs. You get 2 each month and a candle, and the ring inside the candle is valued at least $40. So I'll get to burn that, and I will be back to show you what I got. Okay, so I was burning this, and I put it on the warmer just to speed it up. Has a very strong scent throw. I could smell it through several rooms in my house. I'm really enjoying this subscription. You do automatically get billed each month, but you could cancel it at any time if you'd like. And I don't know what next month's state will be, but I am very excited to see that. Oh my gosh, that's huge. I have seen some bulky rings from JewelScent. Haven't gotten too many though, but this one's massive. And for some reason, they've been putting codes on the outside, and as you can see, when they get wet, they just wipe off. PP36. Pretty sure that's the $40 one, but I will look that up here in a moment. That is very unique, and I feel like not their style of jewelry. Especially, I tend to order size 5 or 6 because my fingers are smaller, but I have noticed if you order bigger sizes, you get kind of chunky rings from what I've seen. So let me clean up my fingers and check the code, and I'll be right back. This ring did appraise for $40, which so far all of mine have from the subscription, but it has some detailing and then these orange colored stones on the top. Very interesting looking. It's a heavy ring for sure. Like I said, pretty big and bulky, a lot bigger than what I typically wear, but it's not bad. I don't know, it's kind of growing on me. What do you guys think? That is what I got. But if you'd like to sign up for a subscription, I have that link below. If you want to order anything from JewelScent, check out their specials tab. They oftentimes have a lot of really great sales. And if you want to see past videos, I have my playlist below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.